Get ready to celebrate World Emoji Day, a day dedicated to these little digital icons. Did you know emojis were first created in Japan back in the late 1990s? On July 17th, people around the globe come together to express themselves through emojis. Emojis have become a universal language, transcending borders and cultural differences. From smiley faces to food emojis, there's one for every feeling or situation you can think of. They add a fun and colorful element to our digital conversations. Emojis allow us to convey emotions and messages in a quick and simple way. So, whether you're happy, sad, excited, or hungry, there's an emoji for you. Join the celebration by sharing your favorite emojis with friends and family. Happy World Emoji Day to all emoji lovers out there!